Hey YouTubers, I thought I was done accessorizing my Ridgeline, but then Maxzina reached out to me and asked me if I would like to have a set of their door sill guards. And so they just came in, and I'm eager to put these in and let you know what I think about them. Now, they were kind enough to share these with me, and I appreciate that, but I'm going to give you my honest opinion. So let's look at what you get in the box. Okay, so we've got 4 door sill protectors here, rear and front, a real simple set of instructions, and 4 adhesion promoter packets. Now these are labeled on the back side, showing you front right and front left. And let's see here, this one's rear right and rear left. So pretty simple kit. We're just going to clean the surface of the doors. Now, I keep my truck pretty clean, so they're really not that dirty. I'm just going to wipe things down with a little glass cleaner to start with, and then we'll come in and position them. And I'll show you a little trick on positioning them. Then we're going to clean the area with the adhesion promoter, and then we'll install them. Now let's clean this area really well. I want to go beyond where the protector is going to go on both sides and around the corners here. Now here's a little trick that'll help you. I've got a little blue painter's tape here, and I'm just going to go ahead and peel off a strip and just put that somewhere where I can get to it. And I'm going to position this first and figure out exactly where I want it. I think about like that. I'm kind of matching it with this piece here. I don't need protection way back here at the back. I'm going to kind of shift it towards the front. I'm much more likely to kick the truck here than I am back here. So I've got this edge lined up with this edge. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this piece of blue tape down here on the front to kind of give me a little target. Because once I peel the strips off of this, I want to position this correctly the first time, because I may not get a second chance. All right, we got our adhesion promoter packet. This is probably nothing more than fancy rubbing alcohol, but we'll go ahead and wipe the area down. The entire area. Remember, our strips that attach this are at the edges. I'm going to do the whole area, including the middle, but it's very important that you get the edges, because that's where your adhesive is on this. All right, and I'm going to give that about a minute and make sure that evaporates fully. Okay, now this is not in their instructions, but I've worked with enough of this 3M tape to learn a few tricks. It's a little hard to get it started, but peel it back a little bit and then turn it out where you can pull on the tabs later. And we're going to position this in place and then peel that red protective layer off of there. All right, so I'm going to line this up. I'm going to peel some more off here. There we go. I'm going to line this up with my tape and push it inboard as far as it'll go. Make sure I've got it nice and snug here along this edge. So you need to come up right about there. Looks good. And now then, I'm going to peel this piece here and stick that down. I'm going to go ahead and get this piece here on the side. Uh-oh, it broke off. Well, that's going to make this a little more interesting. Let's see if I can get this end going. There we go. All righty. There we go. That worked out nicely. I'm going to push that in. Make sure I get it all the way down here. That's good. All right. Now I'm going to peel this one. Go nice and slow. There we go. Position that in there real good. All right, here's the last one. You'll peel this back. And stick that down. And that's it. That is fully installed. I think that looks pretty sharp. Like I said, this is not an accessory I was planning on getting, but I couldn't resist the opportunity to try it out, and I'm really impressed. It's got a nice kind of wrinkle finish to it, and it's kind of rubbery. It really looks like it's something that might be a factory option. But I like the looks of this, and the installation, as you can see, is pretty easy. So let me go ahead and put on the other three. Okay guys, well, thank you for watching. I really like these. They have a very understated look to them, nothing flashy, nothing that lights up, anything like that. You know, Honda makes some door sill protectors, but I think I like these better. And they're, as you saw, real easy to install, and I've hoped to enjoy these for many years. And I thank Maxzina for sharing the product with me, and I'm going to put a link to their page down below in the description of the video. Now, I don't get anything out of you buying their products, but when I come across something that I like, I want to share it with you guys, so you guys might like it as well. So thanks for watching, and check out the link down in the description for more of their products. They make a lot of products for a lot of vehicles, not just Hondas. So thanks again for watching.